Hello students, class 9th. आज आपण सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट बी या चॅप्टरचं सुरुवात करणार आहोत. आपला पहिला चॅप्टर आहे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स. श्री तुळजाभवानी सैनिक स्कूल तुळजापूर आपण ऑनलाईन शिक्षण घेत आहोत. यामध्ये हा जो आपण चॅप्टर स्टडी करणार आहोत त्याच्या स्टेप वाईज मॅनरमध्ये क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ प्लांट्स याचा जर विचार केला तर पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला काही रिव्ह्यू घ्यावा लागेल. यामध्ये फर्स्ट 5 किंगडम सिस्टीम जी आहे ती रॉबर्ट विटकर याने 1965 मध्ये डेव्हलप केलेली होती. जे काही टोटल लिव्हिंग थिंग्स आहेत या लिव्हिंग थिंगचा जर विचार केला तर या अर्थवरती मिलियन्स बिलियन्स ऑफ लिव्हिंग थिंग्स आहेत. अँड दीज लिव्हिंग थिंग्स आर क्लासिफाईड ड्यू टू their specific characters, that is their similarities and dissimilarities. Classification is based on similarities and dissimilarities. We know that in our school there are 500 more than 500 students, but when we call them for the prayer, then at that time you are staying with class wise, 5th A, 5th B, 6th A, 6th B, in this manner up to the 12th. These students are situated in the 5th class. They are having some similarities, and those students which are staying at 10th class, they are having same similarities, but in 5th and 10th there are dissimilarities also present. So in this manner here all the living things are classified into the 5 kingdoms. So we have to see the stepwise classification. First, the living organism is classified into 2 categories due to their cell structure. We know that every living thing is made up of cells, and the structure of the cell is different. So they are classified into 2 groups. One is prokaryotic and second one is the eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells, they are not well organized cells. These cells does not have many cell organelles. They have only nuclear material, but nucleus is absent, mitochondria is absent. So these are the prokaryotic cells. And those living things showing their structure by prokaryotic cells, they are included in the kingdom prokaryotic, and the name of that kingdom is kingdom Monera. For example, there are some viruses are included in the prokaryotic Monera kingdom. Second one is the eukaryotic, that is these living things having the cells eukaryotic cell, which is well organized cell which contains the cell organelles as well as nucleus is present in that cells. But here again, depending upon the eukaryotic cells, there are 2 types of the cells. One is those living things made up of single cell, they are included in the unicellular category, and those living things are made up of more than one, they are included into the multicellular category. So here the unicellular organisms, all unicellular eukaryotic organisms are included in a single kingdom, and that kingdom is the kingdom Protista. So here cell is the eukaryotic type, as well as the type of the organism is unicellular. They are made up of only single cell, and they are included in the Protista. For example, here Paramecium, amoeba, we can take these examples. Now here the multicellular organisms. In the multicellular organisms, again they are classified due to the characteristics of the eukaryotic cell, but those are having cell wall. That is, those living things are made up of eukaryotic multicellular cells, but the cell includes cell wall. So they are classified into the another group, and second one is without cell wall. That is, that organisms, the cell of that organism does not contain cell wall, and without cell wall organisms are categorized in the kingdom Animalia. So there are so many animals are included. Examples: elephant, from the ant to the elephants we can include, including human being also. But with cell wall, again they are classified into two categories. First one is the autotroph. We know that autotroph means those living things, they can prepare their own food material by photosynthesis. They can prepare their own food material. They are autotrophics, and they are includes in the all these living things includes in this kingdom, that is the kingdom Plantae. There are all green plants are included in this kingdom. Second one is the heterotrophs. That means they having the cell wall, they are multicellular eukaryotic, but they can't prepare their own food material. They depend upon the food for other living things, and these included in the heterotrophs. The kingdom is the kingdom Fungi. There are mucors. We can give the examples. So this is the 5 kingdom system giving. So first we have to see that living organism divided into the two categories: prokaryote, eukaryote. Prokaryotic contains only one kingdom, kingdom Monera. Eukaryotic contains two types: unicellular, multicellular. In the unicellular there is only one kingdom, kingdom Protista. Multicellular contains with cell wall, without cell wall. With cell wall contains two categories: autotrophs, heterotrophs, and the kingdom is Plantae in autotrophs, kingdom is Fungi in the heterotrophs. But without cell wall there is only one kingdom, that is Animalia. So we have to see that only 5 kingdoms are present: kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi, and kingdom Animalia. Okay, so this is the first part where we have to know it.